Solomon Robolo, Fiji One News.
That's why shipping Fijian Warriors outside centre Michael Naitokani is the next big deal for Fiji rugby. The 22-year-old played in the last 7 rounds of the 14-round Skipper Cup competition and made the first 15 lineup of the Fijian Warriors match against the Manuma Samoa last weekend. His performance in provincial rugby competitions attracted the attention of national selectors, giving him an opportunity to expose his talent on a different platform. Eronitu Nuku reports.
The transformation of playing rugby in New Zealand to the Skipper Cup competition proved to be effective for Michael Naitokani. Playing for Nandronga in the Skipper Cup, Naitokani appeared in the second round of the competition, but his actions in the field earned him a spot in the Warriors side.
I played a little bit in New Zealand in 2017, 2018. I went for high school there and got a contract to Crusaders Academy, and then came back on the beginning of 2021 and then got stuck here during COVID, and then I had a plan to go down to the west to Nandronga and then started playing rugby, provincial cup rugby club for Nandronga.
The Vanua level lad is excited to be part of the Warriors campaign, and his experience in the team has been influential for the younger players.
So right now I've just been with us under 19 and under 20 players. Has been a great opportunity to be training with them, because most of them they heard that I have a lot of skills and all of that, and they just come to me and ask for skills, and so I was grateful to be with them and give them some skills and grateful to be training with them right now.
Like any other Fijian rugby player playing in local competitions, representing Fiji at the big stage is always their dream, and Naitokani hopes to don the white jersey in the future.
Right now I'm just looking to go anywhere, so if I was playing in New Zealand I would have tried my best to play for New Zealand, but since I'm here in Fiji I'll try my best to crack the Flying Fijian or whatever comes my way.
The Swire shipping Fijian Warriors will face Manuma Samoa for the final test of the Fiji Rugby Invitational Series on Saturday at 3 p.m. at the HFC Bank Stadium.